To add photos to your program, click the Pictures tab in the dashboard. From here, you can upload photos directly from your computer or import them from your Facebook or Instagram accounts. Each template comes preloaded with image areas, denoted in gray on the canvas. To place a photo within your layout, drag and drop the photo directly onto the image area of your choice. Once the image is placed, you can move it around and resize it until it's exactly how you want it. Want to replace the image? Just drag and drop a new one right on top of the old one. Need to take a closer look? Zoom in and out at will and return to the original size at any time. Now that's a good looking couple.